hair highlighting. Lowlighting is changing a person's hair color using lightener or hair color to color hair strands. There are 4 basic types of highlights: foil highlights, hair painting, frosting, and chunking. Highlights can be done in natural or unnatural colors. Color highlights come in 4 categories: temporary, semi-permanent, demi-permanent, and permanent. Hair lightened with bleach is permanent. Basic foil highlighting. Foil highlighting is the process of using foil to separate strands of hair which will be lightened from strands of hair which will remain its natural color. The process is done by applying lightener to the hair that has been woven and separated using an applicator brush. The foil is then folded to protect the hair and surrounding area during the processing time. This is the amount of time required to achieve the desired results. In highlighting hair, hydrogen peroxide mixed with pigment is used to change the color of the strand. This process is also used in applying lowlights to the hair. In this process, hair dyes are used to create strands of hair that are darker than the natural color. Hair painting. Hair painting is a method of highlighting hair that may be done at home. Hair painting methods are often permanent and employ a simple hair painting brush. Hair painting is also used with temporary and semi-permanent types of brushes. While brushes are commonly used in hair painting, one may also use combs to paint or highlight thin-sized strands of hair. Balayage is a technique of free-form painting on clean, styled hair. The results are subtle, and thus more natural-looking than foiling or chunking. Balayage is currently trending among women aged 18 to 27 in the American South. Leopard hair highlights. A leopard hair print consists in creating hair highlights with a leopard pattern. The process to create leopard spots effects can be realized first bleaching in spots a hair tuft and then coloring with a brown tint the external parts of the bleached spots. It is even common to use funky and eccentric colors for this effect. This kind of hair process started as urban street fashion as new trend, in fact is often combined with weird haircuts. Gallery and how to leopard hair print. It is possible to apply the leopard hair print both on long hair tuft or on shaven head parts. Another similar motif used for spot hair highlight is the cheetah hair pattern. Frosting. Frosting is the process of freehand lightening the tips of the hair, and is generally performed on men with short hair. Chunking. Chunking is a style of highlight which is larger and thicker than a traditional highlight, rather than to a method of creating highlights. Chunky highlights are generally offered in a wider variety of bold natural colors, as well as a large number of artificial or unnatural colors, and are used to create more contrast rather than subtle texture, as in traditional, thinner highlights.